Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a beautiful 1967 442 convertible 4-speed. Very rare car. Only 1,185 were built, and this one even has air conditioning, so it really brings the production numbers down for this car. So super rare, super awesome car. First time looking on eBay, look at our feedback. We carry 100% feedback. That's because we're dedicated to our clients. And also, we don't charge for a video like most of the other dealerships. We like to provide the service so you can make a wise decision. Come on up, let's take a step back in time and check this beautiful car out. Check out the beautiful motor in this car. Numbers matching, 400, power steering, power brakes, air condition, 4-speed. Super rare, super fun to drive. What a great fun car to throw the family in and go for a ride. Check out the beautiful paint on this car. The stainless, the chrome, the stock wheels. Just from front to back, side to side, top to bottom, it is one gorgeous 442. Gotta say, I love the color combination. Check out the trunk. You got an awesome trunk pan here. No issues whatsoever in here. Looks to be all original metal on this car, and it is super solid. When you look down the body, you don't see waves. All you see is beautiful paint, great margins, and luster. Don't forget, you can call Tom today at 248-974-9513. This beautiful car is not going to last. Wow, what an awesome interior. All the lips here, absolutely solid. Beautiful black interior, 4-speed, beautiful gauges. This is just a great example of a 67 442 that is just jaw-dropping. let's go for a ride in this beautiful rare car, one of 1,100, and I gotta say, you know, it's probably one of 300 with air conditioning. Just an absolute drop-dead, beautiful convertible 442 4-speed. Couple things inoperable. The blower blows in the car, but I don't know where the air conditioning's heading. Wipers work. Everything else works except the RPM gauge. Guys, this is one awesome car. Preserve your capital. Invest in a classic car. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Don't waste time in the stock market. Call me today and buy a beautiful classic car that you can see and touch. And don't forget, go to VanguardMotorsales.com and become subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter so you can see beautiful cars like this before they're offered to the public. And once again, if you plan on buying a classic car, download the 7 Deadliest Mistakes to Buying a Classic Car at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. Thanks again for joining us today at Vanguard Motor Sales. Stay tuned for the next pass.